Sige, open the box. Like that. Share. Mama will help you. Go there. We'll open this box, okay? Come here. Here, sit down. Go there, go there. Look at the camera. Oh, look at the camera. Where are you there? Okay, Mama will open, okay? Okay. Can you guess what's inside this box? Huh? Do you think it's a toy? Huh? Zaid? Look here. You want to find out what's inside? Huh? Okay. Shrek. Uy, we need to assemble this one. This, oh. Oops. Too many parts. Oh, it's white color. I thought it's red. The display was red. I think white is also good. Open the plastic. Open. Oh, it'd be like this. Okay, you know how to assemble? How to assemble that one? Okay, that's the wheel. Where to put the wheel? It's there? Oh yeah, very good. I think we need to put it here, Zaid. Like a design of the wheel. I think like this. See? It'll be like this. Oh, nice one. Where's the other? The other ones. But this is the steering. The steering, baby. Oh, you far. Remove the tag. Hey, give me this one. Give me this one. Let's find out. I think we need to put this one here. This one here, I think. Let's see. Oh. I think there's a tube. Yeah, I think like this, babe. I think like this one. And then this one will be here. Is it right? Uh-oh. Let me see this. Sige. Horn. Oh. Okay, run, scooter. No. Like this. Sit down and then run using your feet. Anak, sige, like crawling, like that. Sige. Anak, yeah, very good. Sige. Forward, here. Sige, come here. Sige, more. Very good.